Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, Copilot is taking a new direction. We used to have a Microsoft 365 Copilot. So if you had a subscription to Microsoft 365, for example, there was a Copilot for 365. And there was, of course, the general Copilot that was on all PCs, and Microsoft just actually combined them to have one big Copilot. And they actually changed the icon. So this is where we're going. This is the icon of Copilot Windows. You had the M365 Copilot icon, and it is now merged into this new Copilot icon. I'm sure you're super excited about it. I can already see it. And so this is funny because Microsoft wanted to have its Copilot key. So now, if you got a PC that you purchased recently and have this old icon with Copilot, even though they are very close, it's not representing the new icon, of course. And kind of showing that, you know what, it was really bad idea to put a Copilot key in a keyboard. And Microsoft really kind of messed up on this. But anyways, this is the way it's going. They are merging all of that. They are also, there's rumors they are thinking of, giving users the ability to easily remove the Copilot. And if you don't want it, a lot of complaints about this. There's a lot. The feedback hub is full of messages of people saying, you know what, we didn't ask for this. If I don't want to have Copilot, can I just remove it? Once again, some people use it, some people like it, but not everybody does use it or like it. I use it a little bit sometimes, but I've been finding myself actually using Google search more, and what happens is that the Gemini AI is actually popping up all the time, which is pretty good. So, yeah, that's the way it is. So, anyways, a new icon for Copilot and a merge of two different Copilots into one Copilot, which is, I think, a good idea. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.